with Pink and Maine, and I have some exciting news to share with you. We're launching our very own monthly subscription box called the Crafty Courtyard. Every month that you're a subscriber, you're going to get this adorable pink box delivered to your door automatically, and it's going to be full of paper crafting and card making goodies. We wanted a way to say thank you for being a subscriber, so inside your first box, you're going to get a welcome package. Inside this package is a postcard that explains a little bit about our Crafty Courtyard subscription program, as well as some of the benefits. I'll go over a few of the benefits, one being joining our Facebook group where we're going to share projects and inspiration. Another benefit is as long as you're a subscriber, you're going to receive and enjoy a 15% off discount automatically on purchases made on our website, at our local retail location, as well as stamp shows that we vendor. You're also going to enjoy, if you subscribe for a year, on your anniversary, you're going to get a $25 store credit added to your account. So you have a little retail therapy after being a subscriber for a year. Also included in this welcome package is a 2-inch adorable badge, button, pin, whatever you like to call it, saying a happy hello. You're also going to get a 3x4 stamp set with some fun, bold sentiments that can be used on all occasions, as well as the coordinating dies. How fun! I wanted our first box to be all about celebrations. It's themed It's a Party. We're celebrating 5 years in business this month, so I just wanted it to be fun. The postcard that you get in the box is going to explain everything that's inside it, as well as a color guide, so you can see what colors are included. Let's get to the unboxing. We'll do the paper goods first. In each box every month, you're going to get 4 white envelopes. Perfect for the cards that you make. They're A2 in size. You're also going to get every month 2 sheets of our luxurious 110-pound ice rink white cardstock. Every month, you're also going to get 6 coordinating colors of cardstock, and these may have specialty finishes as well. Every month in your box, you're going to get a Pink and Maine project bag. This is an 8.5 by 11 heavy-duty, durable, mesh-lined bag that can hold all your project goodies, even your cardstock. And don't you just love the adorable pink zipper? Every month, you're going to get a 6x6 stamp set. Right now, the stamp sets are exclusive to the boxes, so you have to be a subscriber to get these stamp sets. I love the bold sentiments in this one. They can be used for so many different things, and they just make card making so easy. They're just going to stand out. You're also going to get some of our pink dies in this box. Balloons, candles, a pennant banner, and the word happy birthday. Every month you're going to get a 6x6 paper pad. It's 24 sheets printed on 65-pound cardstock, double-sided sheets, so you get 4 of each of the patterns. Now this month we're including a package of our Glossy Dots. These make every project just sparkle and shine. In this month we've got some colors that coordinate with the kit. This month you're also getting an exclusive sequin mix. Now this is a party in a package. Let me tell you, look at the sparkle and shine on those. We're also giving you this month 3 ribbon bows in a beautiful bright yellow. We're giving you 3 yards each of a green and white twisted twine, so you can have a lot of fun with that. We're also giving you this month an Asphalt Surface Ink. Now this is a nice dark, deep gray, so it's going to give a little different look to your stamped images than if you were to stamp on just a plain dark black. We're also including this month a full Wow embossing powder in metallic silver sparkle. Now this is just going to add so much shine to all of your projects. Oh, look at that sparkling glitter in that embossing powder. Every month we're going to include a 1-inch flare button, and it's going to coordinate with the kit. So you can use it on projects, or you can collect them and display them in your craft room. How fun! I hope you've enjoyed this unboxing. If you have any questions about our subscription products, just reach out and let us know. We hope you'll join our subscription program and that you'll enjoy the boxes from month to month. Be sure to check back next month when we show next month's box. We'll see you soon. Happy crafting! Our Crafty Courtyard boxes are Eco approved.